Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished your home office or small business could produce stunning, professional marketing materials without outsourcing? Or maybe you just need a reliable, versatile printer that can handle everything from a quick document to a massive blueprint? Well, today, we're taking a deep dive into the HP OfficeJet 7612 wide format all-in-one printer, and let me tell you, this machine is a game changer. Right out of the gate, the most striking feature is its incredible wide format capability. This isn't just another printer. It's a creative powerhouse that lets you produce professional quality color prints from a standard 3x5 all the way up to an impressive 13 by 19 inches. Imagine the impact of vibrant, borderless flyers, brochures, or even small posters that you can design and print yourself, right from your desk. No more waiting on print shops or compromising on your vision. HP has engineered this to deliver prints that dry fast, resist water, and last for decades, ensuring your marketing materials look sharp and professional for the long haul. Plus, with individual ink cartridges, you only replace the color that runs out, making your printing remarkably affordable. This truly empowers your business to stand out with materials that look like they came from a high-end print shop, all while saving you time and money. But it's not just about printing big. This OfficeJet 7612 is an all-in-one workhorse designed to simplify your entire workflow. One of my favorite features is its ability to scan large documents, up to 11 by 17 inches, in a single pass. For anyone dealing with spreadsheets, blueprints, legal documents, or even artwork, this is a massive time saver. No more stitching together multiple scans or struggling with smaller flatbeds. Despite its wide format capabilities, it maintains a surprisingly compact footprint, making it ideal for any office setup. The intuitive controls make navigating tasks a breeze, and with a robust 250-sheet paper tray, you can confidently tackle high-volume jobs without constantly reloading. It's backed by HP's renowned dependability, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every single time, letting you focus on your work, not your printer. And for today's hyper-connected world, seamless connectivity is non-negotiable, and the 7612 absolutely delivers. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, this printer offers incredible flexibility. You can easily connect it through your office network, either wirelessly or via Ethernet, making it simple to share with multiple PCs and users. But the real magic happens with its mobile printing capabilities. Using HP ePrint, you can print directly from your smartphone or tablet from virtually anywhere. Imagine finishing up a presentation on your tablet at a coffee shop and sending it straight to your office printer, ready for you when you arrive. This level of convenience and remote access means your productivity isn't tied to your physical location, giving you the freedom to work smarter and more efficiently. Beyond all this power and versatility, the HP OfficeJet 7612 is also designed with efficiency and the environment in mind. It's Energy Star 2.0 qualified, helping you conserve resources and reduce energy costs. Plus, with automatic two-sided printing, you can cut your paper usage by up to 50%, a win for both your wallet and the planet. This printer isn't just a tool. It's an investment in your productivity, your professionalism, and your peace of mind. If you're a small business owner, a home office warrior, or a creative professional looking for a printer that can truly do it all, from professional wide-format marketing materials to efficient scanning and seamless mobile printing, the HP OfficeJet 7612 is an outstanding choice. It's robust, versatile, and built to empower your ambitions. Don't just print, create, inspire, and grow with the HP OfficeJet 7612. You deserve technology that works as hard as you do. Ready to take your printing to the next level? Find the link to the HP OfficeJet 7612 in the description below, along with more details and current pricing. If you found this review helpful, please hit that